These are our canoes here.
One thing I will say though is that if at any point any of you feel like you've had enough, just say so.
Currently on the canoe, and I'm going to do some paddling. I'm making a little video here. I'm riding with Jonathan, so I'm in good hands because I don't know too much about canoeing or where I should go or what I should do. But I guess I better watch, otherwise we're going to have to go ram speed here, like in what's that movie? Ben-Hur. So far we haven't started yet, but we're waiting and forming up here before we start heading downstream. That's Jonathan up in the front, and yours truly here in the back, and there's some other people in back of me getting their things all ready. Okay, we're on the canoe. We kind of stopped here for a minute. A little bit of rain. You can see it on my glasses. My glasses are all beads of water, so I need to put my windshield wipers on here so I can see. I have goggles, but I didn't bring those. And we're stopped along the shore here, and you can see there's other people in back of me. It's quite shallow here. You probably can't see in the water, but still got some more paddling to do. A little rain came down here, but okay, better turn this off and get back into my duties here. Well, we have stopped by the river for a little break here with our canoes, which are right in back of us. And you can see the other people in back of me here. So it's a little rainy. It got kind of wet, drizzly, but I got some waterproof clothes on. I wasn't cold or anything, but still got a little more distance to go yet, and I didn't bring a spare battery here, so and we got a pup roaming around here too, the puppy dog. Okay, we're all up on shore. Oh, we're currently still on the river, still paddling. My glasses got water on them once more. I don't think you can see that close, but we got the other folks up there. Got Jonathan in the front, me in the back, the dynamic duo as we are known, and other people around here. We're out of the wind right now in this little spot, so it's not the misty rain isn't blowing onto my glasses here, but got to get back to paddling now. We're going to see what's underwater here, if there's anything. Well, this is the gorge that we are paddling through, and you can see in back of me it's kind of high up there. We're down here in the water, and we've got two canoes hooked together because we thought there was going to be more wind, and it's easier if we lash two together. And I personally like being lashed anyhow, so there it is. This is the gorge part here. We're coming back of us here. And there's Jonathan back there, and maybe some other people that you might see. There's one lone canoe way down front, and that's the guy from the canoe rental place. And we're still coming out from the gorge back up here. See what's behind us up there. But we always want to look forward here as we're going down. Okay. Well, there's a rich guy's home that was built here on this island. And some telecommunications guy, and he got mad about something, and he paid $10 million to build it and sold it for $6 million. So
the Qatari royal family.
Qatari royal family is, Jonathan says.
They need a bit of money.
Yeah, it was back down there was the dam. They brought all the boats up. So now we're going up to the car park. And I'm taking my time going up the hill here, of course. All right, I'm tired. It was about, I said 6.
Yeah.
Even though this was my paddling arm, which is my drinking arm too, but it's okay. All right. We're having some, pouring out the bubbly now. We're all going to have a drink after our long 50-mile canoe ride, or close to it. Somehow, like that. And we're going to see what we got here. We got Vintage Cava Brut 2015. All right.
2 birthday cakes for Ed.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
So if you'd like to blow them out really quickly before the wind blows them out,
Okay, make my
on the count
wish.
of 3.
So I hold you up the camera for you.
Oh,
Okay,
Happy birthday
make my wish here.
to you.
Happy birthday, dear Ed. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you all. You can't have your cake. And what we also got were these wonderful souvenirs here, which is a nice mug. It says Scotland and Natural Habitat Adventures, and so many various animals and places that we've been. That castle and the puffins on the back. It's hard to see the mug right now, but anyhow, it's wonderful. Beautiful mug. I'll cherish this forever here. Ginger Bee, and this is Warwick's wife, did the designs on these and made the mugs or whatever here, did all the artwork here. So very beautiful, very beautiful.